Alright, so finally we have come to part 5 of IBP, which is the definite integration by parts. So what is the difference between this and what we have learned earlier? So early on we don't have any limit of our integration here, but now this is definite integral. You have from limit A as your lower limit to your upper limit of B. So when you open up the formula, don't forget for UV, you need to put a bracket and put AB. And for integrate VDU, don't forget to put your limit here, AB. So let's see this one example here. You have integrate from 0 to 1 for x, e to the power of x of dx. So this is two function. For sure you need to use IBP. So x here is your algebra, e to the power of x here is your exponential. So between a and e, a will come first. So let's name your x as u and the rest of them should be dv. So let's do this. Let u as equal to x. Let your dv as equal to e to the power of x of dx. So from your u, let us differentiate du over dx. This is just equal to 1. Therefore, du is just cross multiply. Du is just equal to dx. Now let's look at our dv. dv is equal to e to the power of x of dx. Therefore, let's integrate. V will be equal to the same function, e to the power of x. So now let's take a question here, rewrite this back, and let's open up the formula and make sure you put in the limit. So let's do this. U, V, minus integrate V, du. Okay, and don't forget to put the bracket with 0, 1, and this integral here with 0, 1. Now for the first part, just keep it and let's focus on the second part. Integrate e to the power of x, you'll get yourself back e to the power of x. And then let's fill in as the bracket here from 0 to 1. So no need to put plus c because this is definite integral. So you can see here that the limits are the same, so you can just combine this function. So this is just x e to the power of x minus e to the power of x, and everything in a big bracket from 0 to 1. So as usual, let's solve this. Put in your 1 inside, okay, and minus, and put in your value of 0. So finally, let's solve this. This should be equal to 1. So that's it for the definite integration by parts. Don't forget to fill in your limits, and you don't need to write plus c anymore. So that's the end for this chapter, integration by part. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.